Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome again. Today, I want to explain to you how I got $1,000 in just 30 minutes of trading. This setup here using my beautiful program, my beautiful formula called the Gold 4H formula. Now, I've been talking about the Gold 4H formula for a while right now, and a lot of students have I taught them about this formula. And if you want also to be in the program, you just go to the link there. You find my number to my WhatsApp and then text me there, and you'll get all the information about this gold for H formula. But this setup right here is a very, very simple setup. And using the gold for H formula, I managed to get this setup within just 30 minutes, guys. 30 minutes. I managed to get this entry about 81 pips, and I managed to get this amount of profit in just 30 minutes. So I'm just going to explain how I got this entry and how I managed to secure all that profit. So let's get into the video. Now, before I go on, I would like to ask you to subscribe to the channel so that you can help me produce more content to help a lot of people. Also, share this video to many others and also help me to like, to comment, tell me what you want me to teach in this channel so that you can learn a lot from me. Thank you very much. So the entry model that I used in this particular setup, it was a so-called zone flip. Okay. Now, many of my students, I taught them about zone flip, and zone flip is one of my special entry, one of my beautiful entry module that I use all the time. And whenever I see a zone flip, I always trade it and it is working every time. Now we have five types of zone flip, but today I'm gonna teach you just one type of a zone flip, which I used in this particular entry to get $1,000 in just 30 minutes. So, and that zone flip is just like this. Whenever you see price creating a breakout structure here, okay, and then price comes and trade inside, closing inside, and then closing outside of that breakout structure and creates another breakout structure up here, you have to know that this area right here is a zone flip. Why? Because price was trading inside and out most of the time in that area. So that area qualifies for us to take a buy orders. Okay, this is one of them. This is one of the zone flip that I use all the time. Whenever you see a price creating a breakout structure here, trading inside and then trading outside, creating another breakout structure here, you have to know that this area, the first breakout structure that was created and price trading inside and out, you have to make sure that that area will hold for a sell in case of the bearish setup, and this is in case of bullish setup. It is very simple, and whenever you see this, it is actually working, and it is actually a very powerful entry that I use all the time. Now let's go to the chart. Let's go to the chart so that I can explain you more. Now, like I said, that I used my formula, the gold 4H formula, to trade this setup. And the 4H formula states that you have to first know the direction of the market of the next candle of the 4 hour, because this formula is based on trading one candle of the 4 hour candle. Now, in the morning, I begin to see this candle of 8 a.m. East African time candle, this one traded above, making a break of structure here. So I managed to see that, okay, the next candle will go bullish, which is this one here right now. Okay, and this is the candle which I traded. Now, soon after it opened, I begin to see first if it will confirm the direction that I got from this time frame. This time frame says that, okay, we are going to buy. Now, another candle just opened. It is 4 p.m. right now. Okay, so um, after you have to see the confirmation, and we use 15 minutes time frame. We have the reason why we don't use the time frame coordination that we always use, because when you use 4 hour as your constant time frame, meaning you're supposed to go to the 30 minutes, but in this program, in this formula, we use 15 minutes to confirm the market. Now, look at here. So this was the first candle of that 4 hour, which is a 12 p.m. candle. This one, 12 p.m. candle started here. Now, we needed to see the confirmation of going bullish. So how are we going to see the confirmation? The confirmation are in two ways. Okay. Either you need to see candles creating a zone. Okay. Okay. And when I talk about the zone, I mean a support or a resistance zone. A strong, okay, you remember, a strong level. Okay. And if you don't know about levels in the market, please go and watch the video concerning levels in the market. You'll know what I mean here. So if you haven't watched that, go and watch that video. There is the video concerning levels in the market. Go and watch that. Now, that is the first confirmation. The second confirmation, we need to see um, candlestick, candlestick failure, candlestick, candlestick failure. Okay, what do I mean here? We need to see a week to week breakout in a different direction so that we can confirm the market is about to reverse to the direction of the 4 hour, the information that you got in the 4 hour that we are going to see a bullish. So we need to see a week to week breakout in a bearish side. Okay, in the bearish side. Also, there is a video concerning how you can know the direction of the market just using candlesticks. So if you haven't watched that, also go on and watch that. All these videos, I will tag them in the description below. Now, going back to the chart, we can see here, after the candle opened, first of all, this candle created a strong level of support here and also created a weak failure down here. That was the first confirmation. Another confirmation, also this candle opened. We had a bearish candle, and then we had a bullish candle creating a strong level of support, and then a weak failure again. So this candle, after it closed, you need to go on, and so now here we have a confirmation already. Now we need to go to the entry time frame to see where are we going to enter. The entry time frames are only this universal time frame, which is 5 minutes, 3 minutes, or 1 minute. You can use either of them to find where you are going to place your orders. Now you can see here, I used 3 minutes in this case. And in these 3 minutes, you can see here, the market created a, 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 a break of structure once, and then came inside and closed, creating a counter phase, and then breaked structure again. So making this level here a zone flip, like I told you in a zone flip scenario. This is one of the zone flip that I used. A breakout structure once, another, and before another breakout structure, the price came inside, traded inside, and then traded outside, creating another breakout structure outside. So that area, the first breakout structure, can be termed as a zone flip. So um, this is actually a very simple entry. This is actually a very simple entry, and it is very powerful. You can go and backtest it for yourself. So you can see here a zone flip, and then the stop loss we put on the second candle here, and that was my setup. You can see price came to that point there, and we had a buy entry. We had a buy entry risking about 19 pips, getting about now take profit. We always use 15 minutes as our take profit. And I use this body here as our trading range to see whether price will come and trade there. You can see 82 pips. And of course, the market even went further, 100 pips right now, but we have to focus on our trading plan. We do not just trade, we just trade the plan. Okay, we trade the plan. Okay, now that was my setup, and within just how many uh almost 30 minutes we managed to get $1,000 in just this simple setup. You see here, this is the proof, and this was the setup. So if you want to learn about the 4-hour formula, just uh, text me in the number I provided, the number in the description. Go on and text me, and we have to, I mean, you're going to learn this formula, beautiful formula, and you're going to win trades like this very simple and very easily. Gold is a very simple pair to trade, but it is simple when you know how things works. Okay, so come and learn so that you can trade gold in a very simple sense. Okay, thank you very much. So see you guys on the next video. See you guys on the next video. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you like, make sure you comment, and make sure you share this channel to many more others so that we can grow this community and help more and more to trade with profit. Thank you very much. This is MVP. Good day.